Oh, oh my gosh, I look kind of like a Oompa Loompa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole for those who don't know, and today, as you can see in the title, we have a curly hair routine. Now, it would have made sense for me to wear my hair out, but I tried to wash and go, and it didn't come out really well. I've been wearing wigs for about a year and a half now just to grow back my hair. I am a victim of heat damage. Basically, my hair care routine is all about nursing it back to health. You know, when you just love something so much you don't want to let it go. Yep, that's the relationship I have with my hair. This is basically what I do for my wash day routine, what I do in the shower. So if that seems like your thing, keep on watching. Alright, so this is my hair after being in braids for like almost a month. And at this point, it is really dry, needs to be detangled. And yeah, so we better get this started real quick. So right now, I'm just feeling out my hair, seeing what it needs, how dry it is. Do I need a treatment? Like, this is where I assess my hair. In this clip, my hair is wet. I wet my hair. And now I am detangling. I like to finger detangle before I even go in with any tools. And it just makes my process so much easier. Now I am taking my shampoo. It's just a random shampoo from Pink. And I do not like to use sulfates because I find that they dry my hair a lot. Now when it comes to shampooing my hair, I do like to focus on my roots first before I even carry it down to the shafts of my hair. Then I like to part each side into halves and make sure I get every inch of my scalp and just working that into my scalp to make sure that my scalp is clean. So this is how my hair looks after shampoo and has been rinsed. I'm sorry I couldn't film the rinse part for you because, yeah, my camera would have gotten wet. Now what I like to do is go into my conditioning part. Now conditioning for me is for two things, moisture and detangling, more so detangling. And what I like to use is this cheap Trader Joe's conditioner. It's only like $3, but it's really good. And I like to take a bunch of it. And I just like to rake it through my hair. And I'm just showing you my curls that are left after like my heat damage. After using my fingers to rake the product through my hair and detangle, I go in with a brush for reinforcement just to make sure that every knot is out of my hair. Then I go in and just twist my hair and then move on to the next section. I find that going in sections makes my process so much easier, especially with detangling. So I'm just continuing to do the same thing on the other side. Fingers first, brush second, and look at those juicy curls. Just giving you guys curls for the girls. And look, a little slow-mo clip of those juicy curls. I just wish all my curls were like that, but you know what? We're working on that. That's exactly what we're doing. We're working on that. Give me like a couple months or so. Then I'm just moving to the top portion and just repeating the same steps. And just, we're going to speed this up because nobody wants to watch 20 minutes of me doing the same thing over and over again. Using the leftover conditioner, I make sure that my edges are moisturized. Alright, so this is how my hair looks after it's been rinsed. It's detangled and ready to be treated with this treatment. So this is a Cream of Nature treatment. This is my first time using it. And as you can see, it's very hard to come out. It's very thick, like me. But anyways, yes, what I like to do is I like to go in and rake that through my hair. And I like to divide my hair in 2 halves instead of 4 parts. I just find that it works that way for me because we already detangled. This mask for me, it wasn't really like a mask that wowed me. but it had some slip. It got the job done, but it wasn't that everlasting moisture. I've had masks that really did way more for me, and I'm just showing you guys my curls. Look at the curls at the bottom and then look at the curls at the top. Like, they're so different. And yeah, I'm just repeating the same step on the other side, making sure that every curl gets some loving. Then I'm just showing you the curls and how good they're behaving. You see how my hair looks when it's being washed? It does not look like this during the wash and go. It just shrinks up and looks like a puff ball. But I'm just showing you my hair length. I don't know what length this is. Now I'm going in with my brush, just making sure all the tangles are out. Then we let this sit for 10 minutes. All right, now it's time to rinse it all out. And now I'm showing you all the hair that I shed from after a month. And then we are showing you the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.